Good evening, friends. Very warm welcome to Ramos Math classes. Today we are going to start a new topic in 3D, that is sphere. Very important topic. According to this topic, many questions are asked in various exams. Today we will discuss some questions based on this topic. This topic is very much useful for RPSC many exams like RPSC SEF first grade, second grade exams. Friends, the first question I have choose this: find the equation of a sphere passing through points. Here are given 4 points: 0, 0, 0, that is the origin, A0, 0, 0, B0 and 0, 0, C. This question has been asked in RPSC 2011 paper. ठीक है? Now, I have drawn this figure. According to question, this sphere passed through from given points. That is origin point 0, 0, 0. That is A0, 0. Its distance point A from origin is A. This point is 0, B0. Its distance from origin to B is B. This point is 0, 0, C, which distance from O is C. As we know that the standard equation of a sphere is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0, where center of the given sphere are minus u minus v minus w and the given radii is the u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Friends, that is the center and radii of a given sphere. So we will discuss in given question what is find the equation of the sphere passing through points. We have to find the equation of that particular sphere. ठीक है? So that is the given sphere. If it passes through from this origin, then what will be your equation? If this sphere passing through from this point origin 0, 0 and 0, so hence we will get all values will be 0. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and z equal to 0, hence we get d equal to 0. D equal to 0. So now another modified equation will be x square, y square, z square, 2ux, 2vy, 2wz equal to 0. That equation arises because this standard equation passing through from this point 0, 0, 0. Now we are talking about for the second point, A0, 0. Equation number 1 passes through point A0, 0. Students, when you will put this value in the given equation number 1, we will get A square plus 0 plus 0 plus 2AU plus 0 plus 0 and 0. We will get equation A square plus 2A equal to 0, means A plus 2U equal to 0 and 2U equal to minus the A. That will be our first relation which we get from A0, 0. Hence, when we put this value, because it also goes through from this point 0, B0, so we will get it passes through 0, B0, we will get same equation 2v equal to minus b, and when this particular sphere equation number 1 passes through 0, 0, C, it passes through 0, 0, C, we will get 2w equal to minus the c. Friends, we get 4 values. First one is d equal to 0, second one 2u equal to minus 1, third one equal to 2v minus b, and fourth one 2w minus c. we put all these values in the given standard equation of a sphere, then we get our sphere with passing through all these 4 points. So our answer will be x square y square plus z square. 2ux means minus ax. We put in the place of 2u equal to minus a, 2v equal to minus by minus cz and plus d equal to 0. तो hence d तो already हमारा 0 हो गया था, equal to 0. तो hence this is our correct answer for this given equation, for this given question. तो what will be center of this particular sphere? Center will be a by 2, b by 2 and the c by 2. That is our center. And what will be its radius? Friends, radius will be a square by 4 plus b square by 4 plus c square by 4. So 1 upon 2 under root a square plus b square plus c square. So that can be also asked in exam ki what will be the radii of the sphere passing through these 4 points. So our center will be this one and our radii will be this one. I suggest you to remember both these results because this is an important relation which asked in numerous exams. So I will suggest you to remember both the result like center and radius. Now students, come to our second question of today. This question was also very interesting and very important exam. Now our second question is also asked in RPSC ACF exam. Second question, plane. Given equation is a plane. There is a given plane x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 7. Cut of given plane. Cut sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 2x minus 2y minus 4z minus 19 equal to 0. Then find radius of the circle. This is also a very interesting question and asked in numerous competitive exams. Look student, that is asking a given plane which cut sphere. Friend, I am drawing, that is our sphere x square y square z square 2x minus 2y minus 4z minus 19 equal to 0. Okay, that is our sphere and a plane which cut a given sphere. So student, I said we can consider a plane which cut a given sphere like this. We are talking about 3D. So its half part will be upward and the rest of half will be backward. So this plane particularly cut this sphere like this. So it will cut onto these 2 points. That is the center of this sphere. So here we can construct a circle. So that is the circle. And the given question, it is asking for radii of this particular circle. That is C, and we can say that is the R, that is the P, perpendicular distance, that is the N, and that is the point of P. Okay, student, that is. So it is asking us to find the radius of the given circle. So hence, what will be the radius of the given circle? That will be NP equal to R square minus P square, where R is the radii of sphere and P is the P. perpendicular distance from center of sphere to plane. So now we have to find the two values, that is the R and P. So before this we will discuss about center of sphere. Center of sphere will be minus u minus v and minus w. So here we will get minus 1, 1 and 2. So that will be our center. And what will be the radii? What will be the radii of the given sphere? Radii of the given sphere, that is minus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square, and here minus 19 is given, so we will put the value of plus 19. So hence we will get root 25, that is the value of 5. We get R, and now our aim is to find the value of this P, perpendicular distance from center to the given plane. So now friends, now we are going to find the value of P. P is what? Perpendicular distance from center of the sphere to the given plane. So now friends, what will be P? Minus 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 7 divided by coefficient of x, y and z, that is 1 ka square, 2 ka square plus 2 ka square. Now friends, what will we get? Minus 1, okay, here with value of plus 1 plus 7. So we will get 7 plus 4, 11, our value will be 4. So friend, our perpendicular distance is 4 and our radii is 5. So now what will be our radius of the circle? Radius of the given circle, that is under root 5 square minus 4 square, that is the value of 3. So hence radius of the circle will be 3. Students, today we discussed these two very important questions which is frequently asked in many exams. In my further video we will discuss 4 more questions based on this topic sphere. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay, thanks.